This is the piece of advice that I would give you all, and as I give my own daughters now, that actually you need to work out what makes you tick. How many of you know exactly what you want to do for the rest of your life right this moment? Yeah, a small number. I have told my daughters that actually the people that know what they want to do are the people that want to be doctors, want to be policemen, firemen, a real vocational job. At the moment, my 18-year-old daughter has just finished her education and is very much not wanting to go to university, but not really knowing what she wants to do. So I've sat down with her and said, hey, you know, I am now in a place where I've got a job that I'm really happy with. It ticks all my boxes. Do you know what I mean when I say ticks all my boxes? I've kind of gone through my head and thought to myself when I was 18, 20, what excites me? What makes me want to get up in the morning? And those things for me were, I love travelling, absolutely love travelling. I also love experiencing other cultures. I love talking, funnily enough. And I also like things, an organisation where I can challenge things. I like to ask questions and why does this work this way and how does it work? The one thing I don't like, and I've recognised that in myself over the years, is routine. I would hate to be in a job where in 10 years' time I know that I'm still going to be in the same place, in the same office, doing the same boring things that in a typing pool I was doing. So I made my mind up in that typing pool that I needed to do something about myself and improve myself in a way that I would be marketable, if you like, to other parts of the organisation. The one thing I would leave you with is don't let anyone give you a glass ceiling. Don't let anyone tell you that this is as far as you can go. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't balance a family and a career. I am living proof of that. And if I had to give myself, my younger self, advice, if I had to say one thing that I would have welcomed from someone in a situation like this, it would be believe in yourself. Know what you want and know that you can achieve it. And don't let anyone but anyone tell you that it's not possible.